Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to find a block ID on Squarespace in just a few steps. I'll be using Google Chrome for this. First, we need to install a Chrome extension that makes this simple. Open up the Chrome Web Store and search for Squarespace ID Finder by Will Myers. Once you've found it, click Add to Chrome to install. The extension icon will appear in your browser toolbar. You might need to click on the extensions icon and pin it to your toolbar so it's easier to access. Now open your Squarespace website in Chrome. Make sure you're viewing your live site, not the editor. This extension only works on Squarespace sites, so if you try it on a different type of website, nothing will happen. Once your site loads, click on the Squarespace ID Finder extension icon in your toolbar. You'll see the extension highlight different elements on your page. Collections appear in yellow, sections in blue, and blocks in red. This color coding helps you quickly identify what type of element you're looking at. Now just click on any block you want to target. A red overlay will appear showing the block ID, and it'll be copied to your clipboard automatically. Look for the bit that starts with ID equals block, followed by a string of letters and numbers. That string after the dash is your block ID. When you're done, click the extension icon again to turn off the highlights and go back to normal view. Now that you've got your block ID copied, you can use it to add custom CSS to that specific block. Go to Website, then Pages, then Website Tools, then Custom CSS. In the Custom CSS editor, type a hash symbol, then paste your block ID. After that, you can add any CSS rules you want to apply to just that block. The hash symbol tells Squarespace you're targeting that specific block by its ID. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.